Many of you have asked, how should you place your fork and your knife during a meal? So for example, I have a lovely dish here, some salad, some chicken. When you pick up your utensils, the easiest way, pick it up in this way. Your index finger is showing that way, and all you merely do is turn it over and you're perfectly positioned. So you cut with the knife, pick up with the fork. Now there are two schools. One school would place the knife down and the fork would cover the knife while you're chewing away. That would be one way, which is perfectly fine. There's also another alternative, which would be you've taken your piece, you've eaten, and while you're chewing away, put your fork on the side and your knife on the side. That would be another alternative way. Which one should you use? Personally, I would watch what the host or the hostess, which is the option they are using, and perhaps that would be an indication. So once again, either way works well. Enjoy your meal. So please comment, like, share, or subscribe to our videos.